G'day folks, it's Laura here, and today I'm going to do another flip cup pour, but this time I'm going to use combinations of colours. So I'm not just going to be using straight Jo Sonja tube paints, I'm going to be doing a little bit of mixing, and it's going to be a fairly sombre colour palette. So I'm going to have gold, oxide and Paynes grey separately in their own cups. Then I'm going to make up a combination of pale gold, yellow oxide and Naples yellow hue, all in the one cup. Then a fairly pale combination of rose pink and pearl white, and finally a very pale combination and tinting it white using titanium white of French blue and green oxide. So I'll just start with the gold oxide. So this is just my standard pouring medium that I've filled these cups up with. There's a video of me putting that pouring medium together if you're interested. Okay, those are ready to put into the cup. So I'm just going to start with my typical cell activator, give it a bit of a shake, and put a generous amount on the bottom. Okay, so the cup is ready to flip. Okay, so just going to take you in for a closer look. I really love how this piece turned out. It's quite subtle in terms of its color palette, but it's got a lot of detail, a lot of lacing, and a lot of layers, which I absolutely adore. I like being able to see through the different layers to what's going on underneath. Makes me feel as though the painting has a lot more going on. There's a lot more depth to the painting.